channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be another unboxing video. I love unboxing videos simply because it's more content, and I love getting sent free stuff. And more recently, more small black owned businesses have been reaching out to me. Well, there is this one small black woman owned business that reached out to me, and the name of the company is TruNatural. The owner reached out to me. She was super sweet, and she's very pretty to me personally. That's random, I'm just saying she's pretty. Anyways, yeah, she reached out to me and she was very sweet, and she just basically asked would I be interested and just trying the products and reviewing it. And I just always love doing unboxings again because it's more content, and I love showing y'all the effort that these small black owned businesses put in to their packaging and stuff, because they could just throw this stuff together. So I haven't opened this. I've had it for almost a week, so I feel kind of bad for waiting so long to open it, but I had to wait until I did my hair, which I did. These are 4 Dutch braids, 4 cornrows, and I just did it diagonally from the corner, and that's how it looks. I got my little hair drawers in. It's 4 braids, but I got each side in a ponytail, so 2 ponytails, and I just put the little jewelry in. It's cute, very simple. I put perm rods at the end. I'm not gonna have a tutorial up on this at all, like I didn't record it, but I do have a flat twisted protective style that's similar to this, and I have some other like Dutch braid videos on here, French braid, whatever. I will link those down below, by the way. But let's get into this. So yeah, it's called TruNatural, and I put the name of it on the screen. And this is the packaging. I'm not gonna show y'all my actual address, but this is the packaging. And I don't know if this was just specific to me or did she do this with everybody, but it says, "Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to share your pics with us on Instagram and Facebook," with a little heart, and it says "enjoy." I thought that was a nice little detail. So yeah, I don't know if it was specific to me or again, she did this with everybody. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So the products come in this bubble wrap thing right here that she used to package it in. Pull it out, and it comes even more bubble wraps. So that's like, I like that she cares about her products getting delivered safely. All right, so this is the little box. Very simple little box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Okay. So immediately there's a little card. It says, "TruNatural would like to thank you for your support and your purchase." Again, it says share your pics and results with us on their Instagram. Use a code they gave me for 10% off my next purchase. And yeah, so I have their website, their Instagram, their Facebook, and a personal discount code they gave to me and my followers down below, and that will always be down below in my videos from now on, since it's a discount code and supporting these businesses. So yeah, that's the card, and then it's cute little sparkly little paper. It's white to y'all. You got the little what's this called, little paper, I don't know, confetti. Oh shoot, okay, hold up. It's an oil and a little refresher spray. Okay. They're very small. I wasn't expecting this to be so tiny. Oh, what is this called? Let me look on my DMs before I go on. So it doesn't have little packaging on it, but this is a very, very new brand. Like, she just started this not too long ago, so I'm not mad at that, but I like how clean this looks. So this is the Superb oil. I put the name of both of this. So this is the Superb. I want to call it a Superb oil, like Superb, but Superb, I don't know. That's what I want to call it, but I'll put the name on the screen like I said. And this is the Rose Tea Hair Refresher. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This looks like pink lemonade or something like pomegranate juice. So Superb oil. It got a little pump on it instead of a thing, but that's okay. Good on my face. Smells good. I keep getting it on my face, y'all. It smells really good though. It smells like most of the other like hair growth serums and oils I have. So this smells good. That's what it looks like. And then this again is the Rose Tea Hair Refresher. It smells like tea, if I say so myself, like a natural type of tea. You got a nice little smell too. Very nice and simple. Like it's not a strong scent, if that makes sense. It's easy on the nose. But yeah, this is the Superb Oil and the Rose Tea Hair Refresher. So since I am gonna have like a little demo review type of situation over both of these, either Thursday or Saturday. It's currently Saturday, you know, the Saturday before I'm posting this. I'm posting this on Tuesday, so I will try to have a review up either on the next Thursday coming up after this or Saturday. So if that makes sense, I don't know. I will have it up this week, either Thursday or Saturday. I'm going to go more into these products in that demo review, but I do want to tell y'all, you could use the code TruNew for 10% off. You can use my code TruLori, it's on the screen, for $2 off. And this, y'all, this stuff is actually very affordable. I know a lot of these black owned brands, their prices be outrageous, honestly. So I'm going to tell y'all how much both of these cost before going on. This is $15 and this is $13. That's not bad at all. Like, you know, a lot of these, and this is a big thing right there. I got a pretty big hand, so that's size reference. $15, $13. That's not bad at all. But they have other oils on here. They have a Soothe Oil Serum and a Rose Tea Oil Serum. I think that's for your face, but I'm sure you can use it in your hair as well. Those are $12, by the way. But I did want to just say that this is $15. This is $13. That is very affordable compared to a lot of these other brands, and she packaged this on her own, so I think that's a good price, you know. So yeah, again, you can use my code TruLori for $2 off. And yes, I will be doing a review, demo, whatever, of this in a couple days, so just stay tuned. And yeah, so again, TruNatural's website is linked down below. Their Instagram and Facebook is linked down below. And again, I have my discount code down below. She was the owner. I believe her name is Taja, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if I messed with your name. She's very sweet. I think she was very sweet, and I like these little products. So check her out on Instagram. And that's about it. So I'm going to see you in the next video regarding these products. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Bye.